Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a hot popping cup of coffee in your hand right now because we are going to be adding this beautiful power strip to our home entertainment center. As we start upgrading our components to our home entertainment center, and because I do live in Colorado, and because outside right now is a snowstorm and it's very, very cold, sometimes we have power outages. Not only do we sometimes have power outages, but I do not want to ruin or have surges on my entertainment center, my surround sound that I've invested in, and I want to protect it. So first and foremost, we have a nice long cord length right here. This is absolutely fantastic as I am remodeling my entertainment center. This is going to be plugged in and this is going to be hidden away so I can plug in my electronics and do cable management here. This is a grounded plug, and what's nice about this plug is it's kind of flexible and it's kind of off center a little bit, as we can see. So typically your plug would go like straight down. This is a bit off center, which is really good. So again, nice long cable length here. And then we have plenty of slots. We have 8 slots total. We have a USB Type-C slot right here, as well as 3 USB slots on it as well. We have our on and off button right here on the side. And other than that, it is pretty much your basic white power strip. Now the output of the USBs is 2.1 amp, and this just makes life a lot more convenient and friendly with cord management, especially if you do it right. Let's go ahead and set this up. All right, we got the power strip plugged in next to my beautiful Christmas tree, and forgive that ugly carpet as well as the wallpaper, but how stunning is that beautiful tree. I am in a full remodel, that's why I have half wood and half carpet, but we'll get more into that later on. Power strip is looking absolutely fantastic. We got blue LED lights in the USB ports, and we have a blue power LED light right there as well. Again, plenty of slots. I only got 2 in here right now, but I'm gonna have many, many more when I get my entertainment center all set up when I finish my living room remodel. Remember, you do have a power switch right here to kill it completely if you'd like to do that as well. Nice little flat, compact design as well. Love the USB ports in there as well, not to mention the USB Type-C. And I do want to state that is a lot of cord length. You have plenty of cord length to run that wherever it needs to go for your projector, for your home entertainment center, etc. Overall, it's doing what it's supposed to do. Thumbs up in my book. Well, folks, once again, top link in the description box below will be this exact same power strip, or you can pick it up yourself. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on the way. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also, subscribe if you want to see beautiful Christmas trees like this, DIY house remodel work, tech videos, and more. We'll see you on the next one.